A motorcyclist is cruising peacefully down a village road. Suddenly, a dog appears from the roadside, barking loudly and aggressively chasing after the motorcycle. Instead of speeding away in fear like most people would, this rider makes a surprising decision. He stops his motorcycle, gets off, and turns around. Now it's his turn to chase the dog. In an instant, the tables turn 180 degrees. The dog that seemed so brave and intimidating moments ago is now running away in panic. This spontaneous action immediately draws laughter from nearby residents witnessing the scene. A moment that proves sometimes facing your problems head-on with courage can change everything.